quarter.
Third quarter. And to shoot. Third quarter na nga, pwede na mag-substitution. Third quarter na gali. Nalimot ako, sorry lang. Guyon. Guyon. Guyon! Foul on number 24. Ball tingkod na ball. There's a pass. Number 9. Rebound. Yeah, it's a basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number 24. Meliesa with a jumper. Rebound to number 13. Good possible to number 9. That's number 9 with the ball. Rebound. Rebound. Aparihado with the ball. Scum for the ball. There's a layup. And the ounce is in for number 13. Guyon. Guys, number 0 also pass the ball. There's a tuck in the defense with it hanging up. Rebound on number 14. Got him on to number 9. That's number 9 with the ball. Onke attacking the defense. He picks his own base with a walk away. 2 points on Onke. 28-49. Rebound on Sinatan. Sinatan. That's the ball outside. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bautro to number 24. Rebound number 13. Guyon with 7 minutes remaining. That's number 9 with the ball. Number 9 attacking defense. Look, it's Rameso. Nugget. Rebound number 13. Guyon with the 2 points. 28-51. That's number 7 with the ball. Azul with the ball. Azul basketball. There's the fake, the pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound. Ramiso for the rebound. Ramiso with the pass. Esplana with the ball. Esplana pass the ball to number 14. That's number 14 with the ball. Number 14 puts it up. Timeout, Team Masamok. Six minutes. Number 17 naman sa ball. Number 17. Rebound number 00. Offensive foul on number 24, Garcia. Second foul, Garcia. That's number 9, red ball. Bounce ball to number 17, Meliesa with the jumper. Nugget rebound to number 10, Sisse. That's a pass. 5 minutes. That's a pass to number 9. Katamora. Nugget. That's a rebound to Meliesa. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. 4, 3, rebound, number 10. That's the ball. Stop for the ball. Okay, to Sisse. Sisse with the ball. Sisse with it hanging out. Rebound. That's a rebound on Paul. There's now Paul by the ball. Paul pass the ball. There's a fake up and under Katamura gets the basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number 9. Okay. 4 minutes remaining. First foul. Okay. Another one. Another one for the non-jumpers violation. Release the ball. Yan ito naman sa papigi dito. Magwara dito sa magapigi sa ako. Moransog. Reserve lang daw, reserve. Si kuya mo? Ano na, para pasawi si kuya mo, Raman. Rebound, 4 minutes. Katamora, Meliesa. Foul on number 14, Espinosa. Onke moves out, Onke moves in. Ball moves out. Meliesa moves out. First foul, Espinosa. (31 na 51). Natin yung score. (32-51). Garcia to Sisse. Drop the ball. Splana. Grabe. Ayaw na. Kaya magbumba, pakangat mo sa bola. Magbumba mo naman, sinunod mo na yung Mutieli. Katamora with the ball. Floater. Rebound. Sino naka-rebound? Scrap up with the ball. Hala. Katamora with the steal. Katamora with the ball. Katamora lays up. Too strong. Rebound. Sangenes, Nugget, rebound. Splana for the rebound. Splana with a pass. Katamora with a steal. There's Katamora with a pass. There's the fake. Turn around. Short rebound, Garcia. There's Garcia with the ball. Garcia passable to okay. Katamora moves out. That's a pass to Bautro. With an up and away. Rebound. Meliesa to Cristobal. Attempt. Nugget rebound on Sese. There's now Sese with the ball. Scramble for the ball. Garcia, extra pass. Splana. Pinapitin pa. That's number 24 with the ball. 1 minute and 45. That's number 29. Offensive foul on number 29. Sino na Bultron? Espinosa moves out. Garcia to Sese. Sese with the ball. Sese to Garcia, 1 minute and 25. Garcia with a running shot short. Rebound number 10. Number 10 possible to Paul. There's Paul with the ball. Likes a pass to Sanguines. There's Sanguines. That's the ball. Cristobal fade away. 2 points. 34-51. 1 minute 55 seconds. Yes, Espinosa's pump upon the ball. She can roll. That's a cross pass to Bout. There's Bout. Nagala Michael Jordan pa. Dumiwal. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Splana with the ball. 30 seconds. Then the shot. Nugget rebound Sanguines. 24 seconds. Sanguines with the ball. Sanguines lays up. Nugget rebound Garcia. 15 seconds. Garcia pass the ball to Onke with 10, 9 seconds. 2 shots pa. Foul number 10. Second foul, number 10, 9 seconds. Ako yung taon na ako ng bag, hindi ka sunod. Baguan sapatos. Baguan medyas. Bali pa naman ang free throw. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter, score is 36-52. And we are team Batang Kalye.